Hey everybody, how are you? Today is Thursday, May 17th, 2018. Yep. Most of you know that we got hit with a tornado on Tuesday, 2 days ago. And it's kind of a non-occurrence here in the northeast corner of the United States. But I guess it can happen anywhere. And, you know, my heart goes out to people that live in the central states because I don't know how you do it. I'll take a blizzard any day. I want to talk to you guys about this giveaway. This giveaway was supposed to be almost like a game. You had to watch my videos and figure out what I put in here and keep track of it. But I realized I don't want to do that. I want everyone to be able to be a part of this giveaway. Whether you're a brand new subscriber and just subscribed to my channel yesterday, or you've been with me since the beginning, because I had no power for a little over 24 hours, which is no big deal. But life came to a little bit of a halt because your normal routines aren't normal. So I know that some people don't get to watch YouTube every day, or, you know, they have so many people that they subscribe to that they, you know, it takes them a while to catch up on videos. And I follow so many of you all, and not being able to watch you for 2 days, I have so many videos I have to catch up on. So I want everyone to be able to win this giveaway. So in order to win this giveaway, I'm going to leave this open until Monday night at, I'm going to make it 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday at 8 o'clock. This way, Central and West Coast might be able to catch it because I'll go live with the winner. So I'm going to announce the winner on Monday. In order to be a part of this giveaway from now until Monday, please hit that like button, be a subscriber to my channel, and just leave me one comment below. Just one, all right? And I'm going to do that random comment checker because I want everyone to be able to be a part of this giveaway. I love all of you for watching and keeping track of what was in here, but after the last couple of days, I realized that life's too short and we don't all get to watch YouTube every day. So let's all be a part of this together. So inside this cute little goodie bag is some stickers, mosaic stickers, this cute little Garfield pad from the Dollar Tree, this cute heart tape runner from the Dollar Tree. I made these. These are little embellishments that were created by me for you. So I'm going to keep that in there. And then I added some really cute material rosettes. They look better in person than I'm sure they do there. Then these cute little magnetic page markers. And then I included all of these glitter pens. All of these, okay? Including this bag. And then I think what I'm going to do is, let's put all this back, and I think I'm going to add one more thing to the inside of that. Hope I'm not disappointing anyone by not keeping the little game going, but I just feel like I want to include everyone. You know, Tuesday was really tough. We knew a storm was coming. We didn't expect it to be a tornado. It came really, really quick. And the part that scared me the most was that the schools didn't let the kids out early and they didn't hold the kids over. And by doing that, the buses were on the roads at just the moment that the storm hit. And we live in a rural area. It's very country. Our trees are over 100 years old. And we have an abundance of trees. And the bus route that my granddaughter takes is a river road. It's literally on the Delaware River. And when I tell you the road is here, the river is right here, and it's a cliff going down. and there's a cliff coming in on a diagonal. So it's a small road. So my heart was aching because I didn't know where she was. I knew that TJ's girlfriend Danica was safe at work. They actually brought them into the basement. And my other granddaughter was at daycare, and I knew she was safe there. And TJ was on his way to his house. And to his house, his driveway is longer than my driveway. And my driveway is 1/10 of a mile. And when I tell you his driveway is also a cliff on one end and a mountain on the other, and it's filled with nothing but trees. In fact, there's a power line that is bowing down. He could still get into his driveway, but they still haven't come to fix that, and he's still without power. I'm sorry I'm ranting. It was just a rough couple of days, and I'm still out of it. I really am. Okay, so last gift. Last gift in here. It's this cute little Tim Holtz. It looks like a pocket watch and a key. I don't have the use for it. I don't even know what machine would use this. So I'm hoping that whomever gets it can use it. If not, please regift it. So this is everything that's in the giveaway. The giveaway will go off on Monday. I don't even know what date that is. You guys can all figure that out. Today's Thursday, the 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. It'll be the 21st at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will go live. All right? I just want to say thank you to everyone that reached out to me. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and leave me a comment to be a part of this giveaway. And I'm just going to show you one quick thing that I did yesterday. Without power, I sat at my kitchen counter and I did a mini album. I just now have to decorate it. But all the pages are done and all the magnets are added. So I did craft yesterday and I did craft the day before. I don't remember what I did. I really don't remember what I did. Holy moly. But I did craft yesterday in the dark. And today I think I'm gonna cover this with designer paper. But all right, everybody, have a great day. And anyone that's in the New York, New Jersey, upstate New York, New Jersey area, Pennsylvania, my prayers are with you all, because I know that our area alone has 45,000 people without power still. And there's parts of my neighborhood that looks like a third world country. People can't get into their homes. They can't get out of their homes because of power lines. Our line workers are working so hard. I know MC Beaters got hit. I was in contact with her. So please say a prayer for them. They're up here in the upstate area. So anyone else that needs prayers, my prayers are being sent. And thanks, everybody. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.